Hey, this is Ben from WPAnswered.com, and today I've got a special video for you. When looking up ways to hide page titles in WordPress, I found quite a few different plugins available. While most of them worked, they all had one of two issues. Either the page title would flicker when loading the page, like this, or the page title would be completely removed from the source code. This would lead to an empty H1 tag, which isn't good for search engine optimization. So, finding that there wasn't a great solution out there already, I decided to make my own plugin that hides the page title without flickering and leaves your H1 tag intact. This means that while visitors don't see the page title, search engines can still see the page title, and any vision-impaired users who visit your site will be able to read the title with their screen reader. That's why I decided to make my own plugin to hide page titles. You can find the download link below in the description, and now let's check out how to use it on your site. If you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to a page just like this on WPAnswered.com. It's got the explanation that I just talked about for why I made this plugin, and then at the bottom, you can find the download now button. Give it one click and it'll download right away. To upload the plugin, you can visit your plugins menu, click on the Add New button, and on the next page, instead of using this search bar, we'll click on the Upload Plugin button, and this will reveal the file uploader. Now I can click Choose File, or I can just drag and drop the zip file onto the button instead and click Install Now. Once the plugin's finished installing, I'll click on the Activate Plugin button that shows up right here. And now the plugin has been successfully activated on my site. You can see it here in the plugins menu. Using this plugin to hide page titles is really simple. All you have to do is visit the Pages menu and then select which page you want to edit. In this case, I'll click on this sample page. With the plugin activated, I've got this new option in the right-hand sidebar called Remove Page Title. All I need to do is check this Remove the Title box and click Update. Once the page is done updating, I'll click View Page, and we can see that the sample page no longer displays at the top of the site. It's no longer visible to anyone who visits your site, and yet it's still in the source code. So if I pull up the H1 element here, we'll see that within it, it has this span tag, and it says sample page. This is readable for screen readers and search engines. I hope you guys like this plugin. Make sure to download it, share it with anyone if you think they'll like it too. If you liked the video, remember to click the like button, and if you want more WordPress tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.